Is IELTS speaking part 3 discussion topics staying in hotels. What things are important when people are choosing a hotel?
When choosing accommodation through a hotel, a lot of things might be very important. If you are visiting a hotel with your friends or family or children, security is very important, I think. And it again depends on the location of the hotel. The restaurant and the food inside the hotel might be very important, and stuff that you can do inside the hotel while you're free, that is also very important.
Okay, why do some people not like staying in hotels?
There's a lot of aspects that relate to this topic. I think some people might not like the hotel because of homesickness, or because of there's other accommodation possibilities like Airbnb and staying in some relative's place. I think staying in a hotel might be very expensive in some cases as well. So some people might not like staying in a hotel.
Okay. Do you think staying in a luxury hotel is a waste of money?
Me personally think that staying in a luxurious hotel is more or less a waste of money. Just to stay inside a room and pay a lot of money is a waste of money to me. If I visit some place and I would rather look around and spend money on looking into the place itself rather than staying inside a room or inside a building. But it also depends on the circumstances as well. If I'm just visiting the hotel just to stay in the hotel, so I would rather prefer to stay in a luxury one.
Okay, now is working in a hotel. Do you think hotel work is a good career for life?
In my opinion, any career can be a good career option for life. It also depends on the context of the work. If you're working for a big chain hotel company around the world, and if they're paying you good, if you have managing skills or leadership skills and hospitality skills to run a hotel, it might be a very good career.
Okay. How does working in a big hotel compare with working in a small hotel?
I think both working in a big hotel or working in a small hotel have their own advantages. Working in a big hotel gives you the opportunity to be in a better place, and in most cases big hotels will pay you good money, which might be an advantage. And also working in a small hotel, you have good opportunity to manage a small team of tourists or small team of customers, which also can be a very advantageous. And in small hotels, you have to manage a small team, which might be good for communication and leadership skills.
What skills are needed to be a successful hotel manager?
To be successful in hotel management, I think communication skill and leadership skills are very important. Communication skills provides the ability to communicate with people. If you don't have communication skills, people won't understand you. And for leadership skills, if you can't show passion for the work you're doing, people won't follow your paths. So to achieve an efficient goal, I think leadership and communication skills both are very important. Above all, I think being respectful to your co-workers or your team members is very important. You can expect respect from people if you respect others.
Thank you very much. That is the end of your IELTS speaking test.
Thank you very much.
And your score is 9 on 9 today.